A lot of seniors are doing mistakes that are holding them back. Don't worry, I'm not calling anyone out. These mistakes are very easy to fix if you know what you look for. Let's break it down. It's not investing enough in your health and trying to coach yourself. So yes, it's money, but hear me out. At the start, you should be looking for a good coach who can help you to get on a good track. And if you can't afford one, look for a good online trainer who is more affordable. Or you hire a trainer who can design your training program for a month and you do regular checkups with that person. Next one is training frequency, and this one is huge. From the athletic world, we know the higher frequency, the more profound are the results. 3 times a week will work for most of people. However, if you have the time to get the fourth one, as Charles Poliquin used to say, the fourth session gets you from 50 to 60% more results. Next, variety. Doing the same exercise over and over, a big mistake. Your body adapts to any routine, and if you are doing the same exercises over and over, guess what? Your muscles stop responding. Your body adapts to any routine. Be creative, mix things up, use machines, use free weights, adapt changing the strength curves using bands or chains, use different attachments or even bodyweight exercises. Variety is key. Now let's talk about cardio. Look, Zone 2 cardio is not only great for fat loss, it's also awesome for heart and mitochondrial health. Zone 2 cardio is defined by having a heart beats between 70 to 80% from your max heartbeat. The other kind of cardio we love is HIIT, high intensity interval training. The drawback of this system is it makes you tired. So the best option here is to combine resistance training with Zone 2 cardio as well as with HIIT training. A weekly workout breakdown which works very well is potentially 3 times a week of resistance training combined with once or twice a week cardio training. Bonus tip, stretching. When we age, we don't only lose muscle mass, bone density, we lose mobility as well. Spend 5 to 10 minutes after every workout on stretching. It's not about doing a split, it's rather about gaining mobility and allowing your body to move the way it's supposed to. So a quick recap, invest more, train more often, implement some variety, don't overdo cardio, and don't forget about the stretches. Just fixing one of those mistakes can make a huge difference in your progress. And remember, it's never too late to start. Got any questions? Please drop them down. I would love to hear from you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time.